Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Azra Abdulaziz, Director of Clicknet Technology. How's everyone doing? I hope everyone is in the pink of health. I'm here today to look into another magnificent gaming laptop, the newly announced Acer Nitro 5 2020 version. It's the latest in a long line of powerful Acer gaming laptop, and it is sure to uphold the power of its forebears, making its ancestors proud. The new series that I will be reviewing today is none other than the Acer Nitro 5 AN5155579CU. Without wasting more time, let's look into the content of this box. Very good. So now I will actually unbox this particular laptop further, and without wasting any more moment, let's just open up this seal. So these are basically the content of the Acer Nitro 5. So first of all, like all laptops, this Acer Nitro 5 also comes with a power cord and a power adapter. So wow guys, this particular series actually comes with their very own Acer Nitro series sticker. So you could actually freely stick all the stickers on your laptop, and obviously it would definitely comes with a manual guide and also a setup guide. Now let's look at the very own Acer Nitro 5. Let's open up this foam very carefully. Are you guys ready? Let's take a look on this laptop. Acer has revamped their looks with the latest Nitro 5. On the top panel, the laptop has this parallel brush finish with an Acer logo that gives the laptop a stealth-like look. And as you could see at the back, this new model comes with an aggressive design near the vent with a red accent, making it a more outstanding gaming laptop. Weighing at 2.3 kg with a slim bezel of 7.02 mm, this awesome gaming laptop is a combination power of a 10th Gen Intel Core i7 processor and the latest NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti graphics with 6GB GDDR6. The laptop is equipped with 8GB 2933 MHz DDR4 RAM and 512GB PCIe SSD. For maximum speed, this model can be upgraded up to 32GB RAM with massive storage of 2 slots for M.2 PCIe SSDs. Explore games in greater detail with the sharp visual of 15.6-inch FHD IPS display. Enjoy smooth, blur-free gameplay with a 144Hz refresh rate and a 3 microsecond response time. Acer have also boosted the screen-to-body ratio to 80% with narrow 7.02 mm bezels and provided lifelike colors using a 45% NTSC 300 nits panel. Better audio delivers a competitive edge as well as a more immersive experience through dual 2W speakers. With DTS-X Ultra, sounds are clear and can be delivered in a 3D spatial soundscape, allowing you to hear where your opponents are coming from with pinpoint precision. The 4-zone RGB keyboard spice up the overall look of this laptop and take command of the inner workings via the dedicated NitroSense key. The WASD and arrow keys are also highlighted for easy visibility, while the key response itself is immediate with a mere 1.6 mm travel distance. Get an edge online by taking control of your network and prioritize your gameplay with Killer Ethernet E2600 and Intel Wi-Fi 6 solution. When heavy use requires an added boost, chill out with twin fans, Acer Cool Boost technology and quad exhaust port design. Cool Boost increases fan speed by 10% and CPU/GPU cooling by 9% compared to the auto mode. Monitor and manage your system in real time with NitroSense, covering temperatures, fan speeds, and many more. And fret not, you can plug all your peripherals into the full range of high-speed ports, including HDMI 2.0 and the newest USB 3.2 standard with 2 Gen 1 port and 1 Gen 2 support featuring power off USB charging. So what do you think, guys? If you wish to explore and enjoy a new level of gaming, the powerful Nitro 5 would be the absolute answer. The solid, understated design houses a lightning-quick 144Hz FHD IPS display and a lineup of impressive tech to enhance every aspect of gameplay. Nothing can go wrong with this impressive Nitro 5 79CU. With a new facelift in design and a spec bump into the latest 10th generation Intel processor, it's definitely worth buying. Get yours today for only 4,899 ringgit. But wait, Clicknet would like to offer some freebies worth 747 ringgit only for our first 10 customers. And what's the free gift, you may ask? It's the Redmi Airdots Wireless Earbuds, Acer Supercare 2, which covers accidental damage and local theft, and McAfee, valid for 1 user for 3 years warranty. So what's more, get all these free gifts for free. Contact us to get yours now. And wait, don't forget to mark your calendar, as on the 27th June at sharp 2 PM, we will be having our Acer Swift Week giveaway. And there is so many prizes for us to give away to all our loyal fans, and also a few products have been selected specifically only for you for our very first bidding session. Okay, so our bidding session will be starting from 500 ringgit, and I bet you won't regret. Okay, so please guys, make sure you stay tuned to our FB live session 27th June on 2 PM. Lastly, don't forget to follow, like and share Clicknet Technology, Facebook and Instagram. Till we meet again, remember computer, remember Clicknet Technology. Bye-bye!